guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jordan, and if not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about how I started my YouTube from scratch. I have my journal here with me so that I can go down the list and talk to you about how I started, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that this video gives you the confidence to start YouTube if that is something that you want to do, because it's so easy. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Alright, so first things first, let's get into why I started YouTube. I started YouTube because I love natural hair, y'all. Y'all see the picture right there? Like, I love natural hair. I love the kinkiest to the curliest hair types. I just love it all. And I want us all to be inspired and have the confidence to know that we can wear our natural hair and be beautiful. The symbol on my channel is actually a butterfly, because butterflies are all unique and come in different colors and sizes, just like we do. And we're all beautiful, just like butterflies. All of the butterflies are still beautiful. So I think of them as us. So that's why that's the symbol on my page. Up until this point, I am almost 23. I graduate college in December, thank goodness. I was in collegiate track for the past 4 years. I just finished my last season out, and I was also in nursing school. So you all know that nursing school is nothing to play with. So I was in nursing school and doing collegiate track. I had absolutely no time for anything else. So once I was done with track, that is when YouTube was born for me. Like, I had time to do YouTube, and I've absolutely loved it. It's been a month since I started, and I finished my last semester of nursing school starting in August to December. So this was just the perfect opportune time for me to start what I've always wanted to do. So I hope these tips and how I started inspires you to start if that's something that you're looking forward to doing. So first things first, I just wanted to let you guys know that you need to YouTube everything that you don't know. Use YouTube. I know you're trying to make a YouTube channel, so use YouTube for it. Like, that only makes sense. So for my intro video, I use Keynote. Keynote is off of my MacBook, and it came with my MacBook, so it doesn't cost anything. But if you don't have Keynote, like I said, just YouTube how to make an intro video for your YouTube. So basically with Keynote, I just make the background whatever color I want, and then I add a Google image, which is the butterfly that you guys see, and then I type in whatever I want, and then it has an effects table where you can pick which effects you want to go with whatever you type or the pictures. Like, for instance, you guys see mine explode and things of that sort. So Keynote is definitely something I would suggest using for your intro videos. So what I want to get into now is lighting. You want to make sure you have very good lighting. What you guys see right now costs $0, and that is just regular daylight. I'm in front of my window. It's natural lighting. If you do want some type of light, you can get a ring light. I have the I don't know, ring light from Amazon. It was literally only $35, y'all, and I love this ring light. But I'm not gonna get too deep into that. I'm going to do a review on it because I think it is an amazing ring light for beginners. Like, if you're just starting out YouTube, or even if you're like into like makeup and stuff like that, it's so good. And it comes with a stand. So that is what my phone is on right now. It's on the stand, but the ring light is not on. I do not have the ring light on. It's just natural lighting. So definitely make sure you have some good quality natural lighting, maybe here in your bathroom or whatever it may be. So next, I just want to get into the setup. I record in two places, either my room or in the bathroom when I'm doing my hair. And when I'm in the bathroom, the background is just a tan wall like y'all see back there, so that all the attention is on me while I'm showing you guys what I'm showing you. You don't want something that's too distracting or a dirty room or anything like that. As far as how I set my phone up, it is on the ring light stand right now, but before I had this, I would literally just set my products up, like stack them on top of each other, and then prop my phone up against them. So you don't need a ring light, you don't need a stand to start off with. You can just set your phone up against something and then start recording, because that's what I did. So I can even show you guys a picture of how I achieved that in the beginning. All right, moving on to editing. You do not need any fancy editing software, just like you don't need any fancy equipment. You can use your iPhone for literally everything. So I use iMovie. iMovie is so easy to use, and if you do not know how to use it, what do? YouTube it. Just like you YouTube everything else. Is super easy, super quick. That's also how I add the music to my intro video. So I'll export my intro video from Keynote, and then I'll take that video and put it into iMovie and just add my music onto my intro video. And then when I edit my videos, I put that intro video at the beginning of my video. So it's super easy, super simple, and it doesn't take me long to edit at all, especially when I'm talking. Like in this video, I'm talking, so it won't take me as long to edit. But for instance, for my voiceovers, it takes me a little longer because I need to make sure I'm saying the right things at the right marks, and iMovie is really just amazing to use. The next thing that I want to talk about is music. So I use the YouTube audio library, and then I go into YouTube and type in copyright free music. That's your two options. So for the YouTube audio library, you just go in, you pick the song you want, you download it, and then that's it. It's downloaded onto your computer or your phone. But see, with the copyright free music, that is a YouTube channel that you can use, and they have numerous songs on there, and the only thing that they ask for you to do is to give the artist credit. So in the description box of the song that you pick, they will have a little section that says copy and paste this. So you copy it, which is normally like the license and all that, and then on your video that you use that song on, you put that information in your description box. It's kind of like giving the artist credit, just like you would give someone credit in school when you write papers and you cite. It's the same thing. So that's my two options for music. I do hear of people going on SoundCloud directly and asking artists if they can have permission to use their like beats and stuff like that, and I think that's okay too. I've never done that though. So that is my options for music that I use. So for my thumbnails, I use this website called Pixlr. I believe I use the X version, so it's like Pixlr X. It's Pixlr. You just type it into Google and I'm pretty sure it'll pop up. The way I came across this was I YouTubed how to make effective thumbnails, and you want to make your thumbnails to where it makes people want to click on them. So may it be taking a picture of what you're talking about, or taking a picture of you holding something, or just make it look very interesting. Same thing goes with your titles. You want to make your titles very interesting. That will make someone want to click on it. Like when I read it, do I want to click on that? That's what I think of before I make my titles and make my thumbnails. There are numerous other softwares that you can use to make your thumbnails, and by all means search it on YouTube and I'm pretty sure numerous ones will come up. But Pixlr is definitely something I would suggest because it's free and super easy to use. So the next thing that I want to talk about is promoting yourself. You have to promote your own videos. You have to be your biggest cheerleader. You have to stay encouraged. Even when you feel like you're not doing that well, you are doing well because you put yourself out there and you put the videos out there. So just stay encouraged. Promote yourself on every platform. I have every platform. I have Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I use Instagram more so, and Facebook, and I include the tags under my pictures so that when people follow hashtags on Instagram, my pictures will pop up under that hashtag and I can get discovered that way. So just be sure to promote yourself. Be your biggest cheerleader. I don't care what anyone says. Even if people start getting annoyed, the worst that can happen is that they unfollow, but it's more likely that people will like what you're saying as opposed to unfollow you. So that's the worst that can happen. My last tip for you all would be to get a planner. My planner is where I plan out what days I'm going to do certain videos, and it's just really helpful. Even before, like, you can plan out how you want to do your videos, or when you're going to do them, when you're going to record. I think it cuts down on a lot of the anxiety and stress of, oh, when do I record this? When do I do this? I need to have it done by this day, you know? So a planner is definitely worth it. So that is all of my tips and how I started YouTube. I hope that this video was very helpful for you guys, and I hope that if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, that you just go ahead and start. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and leave any questions you have down in the comment section below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.